When we first saw this old BMW E28, it didn't look like a bargain. It looked like a lost cause. Flat tires, dead paint, thick dust covering every inch. And somehow, we bought it for just $10. $10. Be honest, would you have taken that risk? It had been sitting for years, untouched, almost forgotten. When we opened the door, it creaked like it hadn't spoken in a long time. The seats were stiff, the air inside felt heavy. Under the hood, the engine looked tired, silent like it had already given up. But I've always believed cars like this are just waiting for someone patient enough to listen. My father used to say, older German cars are stubborn, but they don't quit easily. Standing there, I hoped he was right. We started simple, a deep clean. As water ran over the body, years of dirt slid away. The real shape of the E28 slowly came back into view, that strong, classic design. Even under the grime, it still had presence. There's something satisfying about that first wash. It feels like giving the car its dignity back. Then the real work began. Wheels off, rust exposed, bolts resisting at first. We removed the engine carefully, placing it on the bench like something fragile and important. Piece by piece, we cleaned it, replaced worn parts, tightened everything with patience. It wasn't fast, it wasn't easy, but progress started to show. Have you ever restored something people told you wasn't worth saving? Tell me in the comments, I'd love to know. Fresh paint transformed the exterior completely. Deep gloss, clean reflections. Inside, the seats were steam cleaned, the dashboard restored, every surface respected again. And suddenly, it didn't look like a $10 mistake anymore. Then came the moment that mattered most. Sitting behind the wheel, key in hand, silence in the garage. We turned it slowly. A pause, a crank, and it started. That steady idle wasn't just engine noise, it was proof. Proof that patience works. Proof that second chances are real. From a dusty warehouse corner to a road-ready classic. Would you drive this every day or keep it as a weekend treasure? Let me know below. And if you enjoy watching forgotten cars come back to life, make sure you subscribe because the next rescue might be even more unbelievable.